Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well. This is Teresa, aka 50 Plus 2013. Today's video is just a cumulative haul from the 99-cent store in Dollar Tree. I had really been browsing that store just because the last time I was in there I kind of saw some unique things, and the Dollar Tree, I just happened to be using my daughter-in-law, my son's car, so I just decided to go to the local Dollar Tree in my neighborhood. It's not far on a bus or even walking for that matter, but you know, you don't want to carry all this stuff home on a bus or walking. So I kind of took advantage of the fact that I had their car, and I got some things from the Dollar Tree, and that's the most recent. But the 99-cent store, this stuff I've been accumulating for probably going on 2 to 3 weeks. So let's get started. We're going to just go ahead and start off with the 99-cent store. I did get some food items too, but I'm doing a separate video on groceries, so this will just be the non-food items. I picked up 2 of these, and this is just the big roll super soft tissue, paper towel. Then I picked this thing up here, and it's a scouring stick, and it's just to clean your toilet. No big deal. The only thing is this feels so cheap. I remember picking this up in the past. I don't know why I picked it up, because I didn't have a problem with the toilet, but it seemed to feel heavier. This one feels like almost like a pumice stone, and I think maybe that's what it is. But you know, this toilet in this apartment is getting on my nerve. It's just, I feel like it's just crying out for help. But we are getting new toilets, I heard, so in the meantime I just need something to help me get it as clean as I like for it to be. And also from the 99-cent store, I picked up 2 of these plant pots. And you know, I just got them because they were shiny, pink, and don't have any plans right now what to do with them. But you can do many things with these. It's just something that I know that I'll find use for. And then from the 99-cent store, I just ran across air freshener for the bathroom, liking that it's in pink and gray, you know, because it's matching the home decor here. I picked this up because, to my surprise, I was happy to see this. Now this was $1.99, but I was happy to see this for the simple fact I was in Michael's and I seen something similar to this, but it was glass, and I don't really like glass around the house while I have my granddaughters over, or just for anybody. It's just safer just to have something in plastic rather than glass. And I'm just going to continue to reuse it once it runs out. And it's Sugar Rose. That's the scent that's of the hand soap that's in it right now. I picked up these hair clips and just have them clipped around where my glasses go, because my hair is broken off a lot around there, and then when I put my glasses on, take them off, that hair around my ears stick up, or if the wind blows it sticks up. So I just wanted some of these. I just didn't want to pay a lot for them, but I get the feeling that I'm gonna regret buying these cheap ones. I saw this my recent stop at 99-cent store, and it's just a tripod. I thought this would be so cute to give to my granddaughter for her cell phone. I picked up these baby wipes, and lately I've been kind of going through my makeup, because every now and then you got to go through it just to remember what you have, because me personally, I can continue to buy the same type of or color of something over and over, because those are just colors that I'm naturally drawn to. So I decided, you know, to hold back on that and just go through my stash, and I went through it and recently, and I had from my tip of my fingers all the way to my elbow full of little swatches. So this definitely comes in handy for something like that. Plus I use it for all kind of other things too, little spills on the floor, sticky stuff to wipe down the trash can in the kitchen. Just a lot of things I use that for. So it's just a multi-purpose type of thing that I just always have, and I don't want to spend a lot of money for the way I use this, so $1 is just fine. I picked up, what else did I pick up from the 99-cent store? Oh, I picked this up, and I was already going to make a collage for my granddaughter for her birthday. I have all these pictures that I took off my phone with this app that it's free to send your pictures from your phone to this place, and they develop them for free. You just pay shipping and handling, and that's very, very inexpensive. So I wanted to put the pictures inside of a collage type frame, and I stumbled across this, and clearly you can see it's not 99 cents, but it was from the 99-cent store, and it's $4.99. So I really thought my granddaughter would really like this, and I like it. And then because I saw that. I thought maybe I'll do the same for my granddaughter on her birthday. Time is flying so fast till I figure I can hang on to this to January. My second granddaughter has her birthday and give her this. And I mean, it wasn't going to hurt me to go ahead and pick that up. This is something that's so cheap and flimsy that I think that I'm going to return it. And the bad thing about the 99-cent store, you can't get your money back for anything. You can exchange only. But this is just a taco, what do you call it? It's for you to microwave to steam your corn tortillas in the microwave. And I got it because it's pink, but I might just pick up the more sturdy ones from Walmart. I like the ones at Walmart because, I don't know, they seem authentic or next to authentic. All right, so on to the things from the Dollar Tree. Now, Dollar Tree, thankfully, everything is $1, so you can actually calculate your coins a little better. Now, I only have a few items because I did get some food items, like I said earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out by showing you this shoebox, or essentials, or whatever, and it's gray, so it matches the decor, but it's like mainly see-through, so I really like that. And I was thinking that maybe I was gonna use these under the kitchen, under the sink somewhere in the house, the bathroom sink or under the kitchen. And I got 2 of them, and these were $1 at Dollar Tree. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, and it's just a little tablet, and it says Imagine on it. And the second granddaughter, I wanted to get that for her. Then I picked up some Clorox wipes, and I just grabbed these because I hate to leave like stains of makeup in my bathroom sink. In the morning when I'm getting dressed, I tap off the excess on the brushes into the sink because I use that mirror to get dressed. So for eyeshadows and setting powders and all that, it's just in the sink. And sometimes you just can't run water and it rinses down the drain. So I like to wipe that because I like to come home to a clean bathroom. So I wipe that down, or I like to wake up to a clean bathroom. Of course, I like to come home to a clean bathroom. So that's just for the purpose of that. And it sanitizes it as well as get up all the makeup. Then I picked up this bowl right here. I just saw this at the Dollar Tree, and I don't know, when I saw it, it just made me think of popcorn, sitting on the couch eating popcorn. But I thought, well, you know what? I might be eating popcorn with some guests, and we'll have our own bowl. So I decided to go ahead and get a couple of these. And these were, if you have a dollar store around you, these were where the party supplies are. This is not where the regular bowl kitchen stuff is. They have a section for kitchen and party, and so they'll have some party type dishes that you'll find in the household section, but it wouldn't be plastic, it would be glass, or something sturdier. Then this is something that I thought that I can find some use for. I had never seen this before, and it's some foil backsplash wall sticker. I got 2 because I figure for sure one may not be enough for the project that I'm doing. I don't even know what project I'm doing yet, but I just felt like I don't want to run out halfway through. So I got 2, and hopefully whatever project I think to use them for, I can have enough, because I don't think those type of stores have their things for very long. And I'm just double checking, making sure I included everything in this haul, because I felt like I had way more than this. The thing of it is I have this haul, which is 99-cent store and Dollar Tree, and I have some more recent stuff that I accumulated, makeup and just other things that are not from the Dollar Tree. So I'll be doing a separate haul on those. Look for the video coming up too that will show you a tour of the 99-cent store up and down each aisles. I filmed just so you can get an idea of what's in the type of store, because a lot of people don't have a 99-cent store by them. So that will conclude the haul, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and to anybody who's new, first time watching, if you would like to see more videos, just hit the notification bell. And for anyone else who don't realize you can get notified whenever I'm uploading by just hitting that bell and turning it on, and it will notify you when I upload. I upload on Sundays and Thursdays, so I don't know why I have those days, but those are the days. Of course, I do upload in between. But if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.